what is neat is all these birds come at the same time, and all different breeds. There's they're in the bird bath there, and there's Titmouse just there, and there's a chickadee or two down there, and there's the red cardinal. There's a couple of little birds down there in that tree. There's a titmouse, and just now I just saw a new bird. Oh, titmouse is going in the bath over there. Can't get it very well from here. That's some kind of, not sure what that is, but I just saw a bird I haven't seen before. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's a titmouse with a spiked head. There he is. And they all come at the same time. Here's some mockingbird just arrived here. He's up in there now. And they, I don't know, I understand why they all suddenly descend on the yard all at once. It's like they must fly around in a gang. And I don't know if it's safety in numbers, if that's why they all arrive together. There's the titmouse there. He's got a spiky head. There's a chickadee. There's another titmouse over there. But this new bird I saw this morning, that's why I've got my camera out, and he's black and white with a big bright red blotch on the back of his head. Be just my luck if he just doesn't come back. Now I've got the camera. He's obviously had a bath. Well, it's going in again. You can't really see it very well, but he's drinking now. Well, there you are. He bathes in the water and then drinks from the same. Here's the little thing. I'm not sure what he is. But they're different sizes. There's some tiny birds, and there's some big mockingbirds, quite big, and the red cardinals quite big. There's him just sitting there. I love this arbour. I don't know if he can see me or not. I guess he can't. And he can't. And he's just sat there. But there's another one, beautiful, sleek back of that titmouse over there. Can't see any red cardinals right this minute. Always a pleasure to get them come down. But the bird I was really hoping to see again is this black and white stripes on the wings, and a red blotch at the back of its head. Never really seen one before.